Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. The string trimmer crank handle is a tool used to help wind the trimmer line around the trimmer head spool. We recommend performing the procedure with little or no fuel in the equipment's tank. Your first step is to align the arrows on the trimmer head bump knob with the lower housing eyelets. Next, feed the trimmer line through one eyelet and out the other until an equal amount of line is on both sides. Now align the crank handle on the bump knob and rotate the handle clockwise while holding the trimmer head to wind the line around the spool. Keep winding until the line is within the guard assembly, and your string trimmer should be ready for use.